YouTube is a powerful platform for sharing your passion, ideas, and talent with the world. In order to succeed, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and who your target audience is.
Select a niche that you are passionate about and have in-depth knowledge of. This will help you create engaging content and establish credibility with your viewers. Make sure to research your competition before diving in.
Create an attractive and unique name for your channel that is easy to remember. Choose a profile picture and banner that reflects your channel's niche and personality. Make sure to add a channel description and social media links.
Produce high-quality videos with engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Invest in good equipment, lighting, and editing software to improve production quality. Consistency is key, so develop a content schedule and stick to it.